So you think you are trading on a free commission platform, but are you really? What's up guys, my name is Paul Urama, and in this video I want to cover some of the commission structure that Webull has. I'm not saying that the commission structure in Webull is bad, but I do want to cover it so that you are informed when you are trading futures. I'll cover other commissions as well, but I'll be focusing more on futures because that is what I am actively trading right now. So let me cut over to my screen here. And if you want to see any of the pricing for trading futures, stocks, or options, you can do that. Here is just webull.com/pricing. And they seem to be fairly straightforward with their pricing. Obviously, not everything that they're charging is controlled by them. Some of them is pass-through costs of the exchanges. For example, here, exchanges charge a little fee for buying and selling. But also, there are some products like futures that do have a commission, basically meaning every time you buy or sell, the Webull makes their cut or makes a little bit of a profit off of that trade. So for mini trades, it's 70 cents a contract. For micros, it's 25 cents a contract. If you're trading cryptocurrency futures, you can read that right here. It's $1.50, and for regular, it's $1.25. It's quite interesting that they put this here, but they don't show the cost of other fees that are associated with trading futures. And I'll show you my future statement here in a little bit, and we can dive a little bit deeper into that. The other thing I want to cover here briefly before we jump into my statement is options, because I like options as well. Options is a really fun product to trade on stocks and indexes. And they say they do not charge a commission when trading stocks, ETFs, and options listed in the US exchanges. However, Webull does charge a 55-cent per contract for certain option trades. And so this is good to know because you might be trading some options that are free, and then there are some options that are not. Although there's a lot of volume in the index options trading, and that's actually where they do have their fee, 55 cents, which is it's okay. I've had platforms that charge me less, and I had platforms that charge me more. But it's not commission free for everything, right? And that's a great example here is trading SPX options. You are actually paying a certain amount of fees or commissions for trading those products. So it's good to keep that in mind. So for example, XSP is something that I've traded before, and that's actually 55 cents per contract plus additional exchange fees as well. So let's go back to futures. You can see here for the mini, it's 70 cents a contract, like I said, and $1.25 for a regular future contract. But then I started reading my statements, and I noticed that I'm paying quite a bit of commissions. Keep in mind that I do scalp trade, so that means I'm getting in and out of trades really fast, and so the commissions can add up. But I decided to see how much I am actually paying in a commission, and I was quite surprised. So let me go to my spreadsheet here, and you can see that I looked at the bank statements, and I started to see how much I am paying in commission. So the commission actually makes sense. The first day I traded, I only had $1 in commission. That's because there's a certain amount of trades that were free. And so that was nice to have some zero commission trades. However, aside from the commission, you also have the clearing fee, the exchange fee, the NFA fee, which, your $1 commission actually turns into $25 worth of fees. Again, it's not like Webull is hiding this, though it does seem a little bit confusing that they're not listing these fees on their pricing website. So it was a little surprising to see how much additional charge I was getting for trading futures. So let me break that down again. And when I was trading a lot of contracts, even if they're micro e-mini contracts, if I was trading 5 contracts at a time, that would actually add up to quite a bit of commissions. So you can see that my biggest day when I was going crazy on Thursday scalping the market, I actually paid $300 or close to $300 in commissions. So why am I saying this? Just be aware that there are additional fees when trading futures in addition to just the commission. And you can see that I actually done the math. For example, here is one of my statements that I have, and you can see there's a lot of trades, different position sizes, right? Depending on how confident I am in that position. You know, sometimes I'll go bigger, sometimes I'll go with a smaller position size. But if we just grab any example here, like even the first line, so I sold at this level and then I bought it back. So this was a not very convincing trade. I actually lost a little bit of money here, but so 25 cents of commission for each side, right? So when you buy or sell, or when you sell or buy, if you're going on the shorter, if you're shorting the market, then in addition to those 25 cents, you're paying 14 cents for the clearing fee, 35 cents for the exchange fee, and 2 cents for the NFA fee. So in a total, a round trip actually costs you $1.52 in just fees alone. Keep in mind, every time you increase a tick in future, that's only $1.25 profit. So you need to actually have the price move up 2 ticks or half a dollar before you actually make a few cents of profit. For the and that was for MES. For ES, it's fairly similar. You have well, this might not be the best example because I had two quantity here, but this one, you know, you have a 70-cent commission, right? So if you're trading 2 contracts, it'll be $1.40. So keep in mind, contract size also does matter. The clearing fee is 18 cents, and in this case, the exchange fee was $1.38, and the NFA fee was 2 cents. So trading one contract equates to about $2.28 per side. So if you were doing a round trip, buying and selling, that equates to $4.56. That's actually not as bad, even though, because every time the ES moves up 1 tick, that's actually $12.50. So 1 tick move can actually put you in profit. However, trading ES might be a little bit riskier because every tick move is $12.50. So if the market goes against you very fast, you can lose a lot of money really fast. And even though the commission is higher, there are times, and I am mostly still trading MES, even though they're a little bit more expensive, because I can average into a position and still have that position be profitable. Whereas, you know, trading the bigger contracts, the ES contracts, I might have to, you know, get stopped out or something to reduce my risk. So I do play MES and ES, and all of it depends on my strategy that I'm trying to execute at that time. So I do play both, but overall, I did notice that trading ES contracts are a little bit more profitable from the commission side, but that does not mean that you should trade them. Again, evaluate your own risk management strategy and determine which contract you should trade and which one is better for you. But hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and if you have any other questions or any other suggestions on what I should research next, feel free to put that down in the comments down below, and also subscribe for more good content like this, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.